Hey guys, this is a new video of the new season, chapter 4, season 2. It is very cool. I'm playing with my friend Alex Bozo. Here he is. Also, Alex Bozo is bisexual. And today we're gonna blind in Mega City. Okay. The new battle pass is so cool. Also, in item shop yesterday, this little knife came in, and it is so cool. You can buy it, or I can gift it to you if you add me. Plaga κάνω. He has added me, and I have gifted it to him. Okay, anyway, we're gonna be landing Mega City, and we're gonna be going to the dragon, so Alex Pro can ride him. Okay. Also, make sure to subscribe. Ew. Also, my friend Alex Pro is good, but trash, cause I don't know what that means. Oh, okay. Also, make sure there's a new glitch that if you throw grenades in the dumpster, it is gonna break. Did you know this? Okay. How are you that stupid? Hey, Tonic that sends me right here is my biggest fan. Wait, I'm accepting. Tonic, my biggest fan, can you hear me? Μιλά γλυκά, κάνω record. Okay. He's my biggest fan. He has donated to me $1 billion. I have like 1 million subscribers because of him. Yes, they have hacked me. Okay, also Alex Pro farts, so protect from his farts. He's a farter. Okay, this is a new augment. Okay, we do not really care. Die, go die. Okay. Also, there are new cars in this zone. Oh, there's here a legendary SMG that I'm gonna use against Alex to beat him because he's trash. We are playing duo in the new season. No, I can't leave. Stupido. Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm recording right now. Okay, do you see this ice cream? You can hide in it. You can hide in it and be mother. What do you mean? I have a girlfriend, your mom. Okay. No, I wasn't. At least they picked me. Okay, here I'm gonna do the new glitch that doesn't exist. Oh, oh, oh! Oh my god! No, 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 no. Okay, tell your account, but you have 0 followers. Here is a shield bubble. If you throw it to Alex Pro, he's going to cry like a little baby. See, Alex Pro, come here. Come here. Oh my god, come here. Oh my god, he raged right now. Okay, see, we can stand on this. Oh my goodness, Alex Pro, you're so trash. No, don't break it. Oh my god. V-Bucks, I want. Hey, Alex Pro. Alex Noob. Okay. Alex Pro, follow me, follow me, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. You stupid mother. Follow me. Follow me or I'm gonna kick you out the party. And you are gonna cry. Little cry baby. What are you doing? Are you nigga crazy? Fortnite παιχταρά μου. Okay, he wants the AR. Okay, I'm gonna give it to him. I'm gonna give it to you. Wait, take it. Psych! Okay, take it. Psych! Okay, take it. No. Okay, yes, we can leave. Psych! If someone subscribes right now, I'm gonna leave the game and I'm gonna not open the vault for him. There's guys on us! There's guys on us! Alex Noob, Alex Bot, help. You Alex Bot, okay. You're not useful, so I'm gonna beat them. No, what are you doing, you Alex Bot? Oh my god, you're so trash, kid. Yeah. Oh my god, you're so trash, Alex Noob. No, you didn't. You tried. You're trash. Bye. Bye, guys. See you in the next video with this noob.